Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing an air fryer pork roast. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a pork roast. This is roughly about 2.5 pounds, and I'm going to keep my seasoning simple on it. I'm going to put some garlic powder on it. And one of my viewers has said to me, she does air fryer videos all the time. Her name is Booger US 500, or Booger 500 US. I'm sorry about that, Booger, if I got your name wrong. She does air fryer videos all the time. She asked me, "Do you own an air fryer? Rick, you ever do air fryer videos?" I said, "Well, yeah, I do have an air fryer, but I really don't do air fryer videos." So I thought today I'd do a pork roast in here and see how it turns out. And I'll put a link to her channel down below, to Booger's channel. She did some really good air fryer videos. One pot, hardly any mess cleanup. So check that out, guys. And don't mind me because I just woke up from a nap. I'm still kind of tired. So I'm putting onion powder, garlic powder, and some accent on my roast. And if you don't have any accent, just use a little bit of salt. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get this into the air fryer basket. I'm going to put it in upside down first. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get this pork roast into the air fryer. And I have the air fryer, Power Air Fryer XL. That's what I'm using, but you can do this in any air fryer. Take my handle off there, get it out of the way. Close this up. And I'm going to turn the temperature up to 380. It was at 370. And I'm going to give this 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are up, we'll go ahead and we'll turn that over and we'll do the other side. Alright guys, my 20 minutes is up. I'm going to turn this over. Now what I did in the air fryer is I put a wire rack in there to raise this basket up a little closer to the heating element. I'll bring you over there and show you that. Okay guys, I put this little wire rack in here. That's going to raise this up a little closer to the heating element and allow better air circulation. I've never used the air fryer basket with this before, so I'm not really sure on how to do it. As a matter of fact, it's probably the second or third time I've ever used this air fryer. So I'm going to close this back up. I'm going to turn this back up to 380 and give it 20 minutes on this side. And then we'll check with a meat thermometer for doneness after this second round of 20 minutes. Alright guys, I took this out, checked it with the meat thermometer. It's only at 95 degrees. It's not near safe enough to eat or warm enough. I'm going to turn it over and give it 10 more minutes on the other side. You can see how nice and golden brown it is. And it's going to be real juicy. I'm going to give it 10 more minutes on this side. That should cook it through. And then I'm going to throw some potatoes and carrots in. Alright guys, my pork roast is done. It took an hour total. So what I would do next time is I would put it in for a half hour at 380, then turn it over and give another half hour at 380. Now I'm going to put this in the oven on a plate, 10 it and foil the rest while I cook my vegetables in there. Alright guys, I said I was going to put my pork roast in the oven. I have my oven set down at the lowest setting on warm, and I 10 it that and foil. I'm putting it in there to rest and keep it while I cook my vegetables. Now I have some potatoes, carrots, and onions here I cut up. And I put some vegetable oil in here, and I put some Tony Chachere's seasoning in here, this stuff here. And I shook it up. Now I'm going to get into my fryer basket. And I'm going to do this, I'm going to try 20 minutes. I'm going to do it for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to rotate the vegetables around, stir them up, and give it 20 more minutes. And I'm going to set my air fryer at 400 for these guys. So hopefully they get done. I might have to give it a little more time, we'll see. So I'm going to get them in the air fryer, and when they're done I'll bring it back. Alright guys, my vegetables are done. Like I said, it took 20 minutes. 10 minutes I took them out, shook the basket, 10 more minutes at 400. My pork roast is done, and as you can see, it's looking beautiful. Let me get in here and cut into this baby. And this is nice and moist, guys. Now, had I known it was going to take that long for the pork roast to cook in the air fryer, I might have just threw them up, vegetables in the oven and pan roasted them. But it's all good, guys. You can see my roast is cooked through. It's nice and super tender and moist. Now this on the bottom, that's just darker meat on the roast. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got, guys. Alright guys, let me get in here and try some of this pork. Let's get a cut here. And that was at 160 when I pulled it out of the air fryer. And from sitting in the oven, set at 170, 10 it did some carryover cooking. Nice and moist. Really taste those seasonings coming through. That's really nice, guys. Let me try a little bit of my vegetables here. Vegetables are really good. You can taste that Creole seasoning at Tony Chachery's. That's really good, guys. Alright, there you have it. Pork roast in the air fryer. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.